The hokey garbage. It just has to be done at shops. It's impossible for the average person who drives a car to do what I see them doing to tires today. I just don't get it. So yesterday I did a video about 3 or 4 tire plugs shoved in one hole. Like, come on, seriously? I don't think the average person who drives their car is going to do that. They're going to take it to a shop and somebody's going to do it. This is just my thoughts. This repair here definitely was done at a shop. This bubbly, gooey snot repair, right? How big was the hole that was in this tire? This is insane. Not only that, the tire's at the wear bars, and it's chopped and flat spotted everywhere. But look at this. That's all part of the same repair. And I just don't get it. Is there anybody out here in our line of work that has any standards of service? I mean, this would just be like, hey, sorry, dude, you need a new tire. That's that. Back the car out. Let them go someplace else. And maybe this is what happens when they back the car out and they go someplace else. Just repairing a bad tire.